This is Zboy Montebon. Previously on Akong Life.
Fucked up. So we're going to Singapore. You must do something for the vlog.
Multi-cup lovers, we're a bunch of psychopaths going to the ukay-ukay. They'll look like a psychopath in the video and everyone will, you know, do a compilation of is Zboy a psychopath? So we bought something here. $10 for that shirt. Cutie! Cutie! When I become a boss.
Me when I have money. When I have a lot of money. Kind of creepy. Look at this. That is creepy. No, look at this. This is the most creepy part. Oh my god, shit.
Me when I become a toy. Fool.
Ay, basta mukha ka niya kay mabuang ka para sa babay. Okay, Montebon is being a liar for 1 minute straight. So magpalit na maging ari. Kaya magpalit na maging kanani. Yeah, padung kag merkado maging
Okay, I'm gonna buy. Guys, we're going home. Nasa bahay kasi merong emergency. And that's it. We have so much fun here in SM and it's really,
No, we're not.
amazing.
We're not having fun. We can't tell you guys because it's really fucked up.
Yeah, it's really fucked up and it's really messed up dahil kalit-kalit siya nahitabo. And
Then we are rushing home right now and it's really but I'm shaking. I'm so fucking
I'm
nervous.
quaking. Not shaking, but quaking.
Quaking.
Maybe next time in the video I'll tell you what is going on in here. Hi guys, this is Zboy. At ngayon nga po ay umuwi na kami galing sa SM and I'm here now in my mumurahing studio. And of course, I'm gonna tell you the story kung bakit kami umuwi bigla and why are we kinda upset dun sa video namin kanina. What happened po kasi is that diba my dad is a tricycle driver po and we have a lot of tricycles na yung parang nire-rent ng iba para drivean nila, pero yung papa ko is nagda-drive talaga ng tricycle. At ang nangyari po ng tricycle na yun ay while pumunta po kami ng Cebu City, diba, while pumunta po kami ng Cebu, nakapark lang po sa labas ng bahay namin and suddenly daw po na-hit po ng isang car na anuhan po, nadaganan daw po ng isang sasakyan na overtake daw po sa isang sasakyan, tapos na-offline, na po siya na parang lumabas na siya sa linya ng tamang daan, tapos na-hit po niya yung tricycle namin. Everybody was upset here and everybody felt the tension na parang nakakatakot. And sabi nila yung driver na po is na inatake sa puso, which is hindi naman talaga dapat i-blame din kasi unexpected din daw yung nangyari. So yung mga naiwan dito sa bahay, yung mga pinsan ko, tinanong ko sila kung ano nangyari. Ito yung sinabi nila.
Kanang series ni Nonya, katong adventure siya ning boot kayo puwa pagid niya bago pa siya. Ya, di ba? Abi niya libre siya speakers katong may tricycle nga ra ba. Nga ara siya na overtake mo dito kay kanang gikan sila Zboy kay na kanang na sila igabo kay nang gawas din ni kahila ko na din ko ato nga.
Nagtukag na ko ano mong papa na apil.
Nakuyawan mo tanan?
Dagan kay tao.
Yo, ngara gid ay da kana.
Yo. That's funny. Let's make it, make it happy so that, it's not negative, it's positive.
Everything will be alright and sabi naman ng papa ko at ng mama ko na medyo dapat daw hindi magpa-apekto and things happen naman talaga unexpectedly. And ang masakit lang is that yung pagiging masaya ninyo, like masaya kayo is may kapalit na ganun, pero we are very thankful na wala talagang na pinsala or wala talagang na tao na walang nasali sa tapos walang napahamak. Yun yung importante. So we still thank God for that, and napapasalamat din kami na wala kami dito yung type na yun na nangyari, kasi kung nandito kami baka isa sa amin yung mapahamak yung parang ganun. So that's it guys, alam niyo na. So continue lang tayo sa buhay natin and never stop dreaming. Kaya natin to, laban lang. Hey, what's up? I'm at Ate Judy's house, a friend of mom's. Gamba!
Let me get you straight. Guys, can you please stop stalking me and can you please live your life your own life?
Hi guys, it's vacant time at ngayon nga ay vacant na naman dito sa aming paaralan at meron nga po akong natanggap na isang regalo galing sa isang Singaporean. Ito po ang Singapore shirt ko from Kuya Jeric. Kaya nga tinitingnan nga ni Kuya Jerry ang regalo sa akin ni Kuya Jerry. Meron din siyang sa kanya na regalo.
Sa kalibong sinsong.
Salamat po sa regalo ninyo. Hello, hi Ate Jonathan.
Hello, Zboy!
So, vacant nga. Dahil vacant, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Nila Brian. At ito nga, naglalakad kami sa campus na ito. I don't know where to go and we don't know where to go. Basta ito na yung campus namin. Hello, it's vacant time.
It's time to eat. It's time to eat. I get
Sleepy, you know?
Also. Hey guys, so nabalik na ko sa room guys. Namalit ko pan para sa mga classmates because I'm a good classmate. Pan.
Di ko na ako ganina. Usa ka buka ko?
Pwede ro. Hoy, kinsa pa'y ganahan og pan dira, courtesy by me. Pan. Today we are gonna prank our classmates. Hey, this is Joy May, this is Ate Bebs, and this is Sophia. And today we are going to prank our classmates. Love you. Okay, ang among i-prank kay si Maymay. Ang among pag-prank sa iya kay ingnon na mo ka nang kuan na ka nang naiyang papa. So I'm just gonna videotape na lang everything that happens. Kamo na'y bahala sa acting skills ninyo ha. Okay.
Ayaw ninyo pa ito sa ubus, uy. Uy, gipaan ito, gina sa ubus.
It was just a prank! Uy, ako may nakonsensya na yun. It's my idea! Mama, Sharky! Sharky! It was just a prank!
Say hi to the camera.
Prank rat! Hi guys, good afternoon. Kakatapos lang ng school namin. At ako nga ngayon ay papunta sa cemetery. Sa cemetery ng Taytay because death anniversary po ng aming classmate before long ago na si Bryle. Namatay po siya nung 4th year kami, tapos pag-graduate na kami noon namatay siya. So ngayon death anniversary niya, pupunta kami. At ako lang ang mag-isa muna kasi nandun na pala yung mga classmates ko. So magkikita-kita kami mamaya doon. Zinumin ko po sila. Ang gusto ko ay mo juga. I-focus juga. Oh, so I just get home. And then I don't wanna be a liar for this time. And then, yeah.
Kaya rin ang birthday natin ba? And then pag hindi pag-vlog ba?
I'm vlogging right now. Wow. Today we are going to taste test the cake. So ito na po yung cake. Okay, sobrang ganda niya. It's so very white. Actually, hindi ko alam yung flavor nito. So yun, nakakainin na natin. This is my first bite. Okay, every layer niya meron siyang nuts. Kung natatanong ninyo na bakit ako nag-uniform? Nag-uniform ako ngayon guys kasi papunta na ako ng school. 1 PM pa yung class ko until 7 PM. I haven't edited videos talaga kasi maraming gawain sa school. Sorry na. Late na talaga to. So yun na nga guys. Ang sarap niya. Very creamy siya. Para siyang milk yata. So wala nang tao sa bahay dahil kasi umalis sila lahat. Si Likay nasa school, Jerez nasa school, si Luri nasa school, si Mamis, ewan ko saan pumunta, si Daddy, magkasama sila ni Mami. Kaya umalis.
Hi there. I am Zboy the editor, and okay, so Zboy the actor on the Akong Live series is not available for the meantime because of a lot of schoolworks and a lot of things to do, but he wants to vlog and he wants to be on the show, but right now he needs a break. Like, he needs everything to be safe and sound. So the question is this the last episode of Akong Live series? We'll never know.
Hey Ken David, you told my cousin that I will shout out you in the next video. So that's it. I shout out you, Ken David. Thanks for Yako.